Have you ever wished your AI tools could truly understand your codebase, no matter how complex? Today, we're diving into a game-changing workflow that lets you turn any GitHub repository into perfect AI context in just seconds. Inspired by Alex Dunlop's experience, this approach has already made waves in tech teams, prompting leaders to rethink their development processes. Whether you're a developer, product manager, or just curious about AI-powered coding, this video will show you how to bridge the gap between your code and the smartest AI models out there. Let's explore how you can unlock new productivity and control in your workflow. Let's start with a common pain point: context. When working with AI tools, developers often find that only their IDE has the full picture of their codebase. But when you switch to AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, you lose that context. This disconnect can lead to misunderstandings, wasted time, and less effective AI support. The challenge is clear. How can you give your AI tools the same deep understanding of your code that you have in your IDE? This is the problem that inspired a new approach to context management. While exploring top open-source libraries, Alex noticed a trend. Many included a special context file designed specifically for large language models, LLMs. Unlike standard documentation, these files are tailored for AI consumption, providing structured, relevant information that helps models understand the codebase. This simple addition can transform how both humans and AI interact with your project, making onboarding, documentation, and coding much smoother. It's a small change with a big impact. Developers today use a mix of tools: IDEs like Cursor, AI assistants like ChatGPT for quick logic, Claude for research, and Gemini for handling large context dumps. But each tool has its own limitations, especially when it comes to understanding your entire codebase. The real challenge is maintaining context as you move between these platforms. Without a unified context, you're forced to repeat yourself, copy-paste code, or risk errors in AI-generated responses. The real breakthrough came when Alex discovered tools that could pack an entire repository into a single AI-friendly file. For JavaScript and TypeScript projects, there's Repomix. For Python, OneFileLLM. These tools automatically generate structured documents that AI models can easily digest. With just a simple command, you can create a context file that works with any AI model, interface, or workflow. This means you're no longer limited by the context constraints of your IDE or AI tool. Let's compare the old way and the new way. Previously, you'd open your IDE, decide to write documentation, switch to an AI tool, copy and paste files, and often realize the AI didn't have the right context. This led to frustration and wasted effort. Now, with context packing tools, you simply run a command, generate a context file, and paste it into any AI tool you like. The process is streamlined, accurate, and much more flexible. Getting started is easy. For JavaScript or TypeScript projects, just run npx repomix in your terminal. For Python projects, clone the OneFileLLM repo, install the requirements, and run python OneFileLLM.py src. These commands generate a single file containing your entire codebase context, ready to be used with any AI assistant. No more manual copying or context loss, just seamless integration. With this new approach, you can quickly test your codebase with different AI models like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT. Just paste the same context into each tool and compare the results. This flexibility means you're no longer locked into a single platform or workflow. You can keep your code context up to date with a single command, making it easy to answer questions, debug issues, or generate documentation on the fly. One of the biggest advantages is model freedom. You're no longer tied to a specific IDE or AI tool. Switch between GPT, Claude Sonnet, Gemini, or even deep research tools with ease. The context file works everywhere, giving you the power to choose the best tool for each task. This flexibility is a huge productivity boost for developers and teams alike. With tools like Repomix, you can fine-tune exactly what context you provide to your AI. Want to focus only on authentication code? Use the include flag. Need to exclude tests or compress large code bases? There are options for that too. This level of control means you can tailor the AI's understanding to match your needs, whether you're debugging, reviewing, or building new features. These context files aren't just for solo developers. They open up new possibilities for teams. Use them to review code, onboard new members, or facilitate development discussions. Product teams can get instant answers about how features work, and security audits become much more efficient. The context file becomes a shared resource that boosts collaboration and understanding across your organization. The power of context files extends to advanced scenarios. For microservices, you can pack multiple repos and analyze how they interact, generate documentation from scratch, or break down modules for targeted improvements. These tools aren't just about convenience. They enable deeper analysis and smarter automation, helping you build better software faster. Setting up these tools is straightforward. For JavaScript divided by TypeScript, run npx repomix to create your context file. For Python, clone the OneFileLLM repo, install dependencies, and run the script on your project directory. Advanced users can customize outputs, combine multiple sources, or compress files for large projects. In just a few minutes, you'll have a powerful AI-ready context file at your fingertips. While these tools don't solve every problem, manual context entry can still be repetitive, and AI responses may vary. They dramatically improve control and efficiency. You'll spend less time explaining architecture, get higher quality AI outputs, and avoid being locked into a single tool. The real-world impact is clear: faster development, better documentation, and more empowered teams. In summary, turning any GitHub repo into perfect AI context is now within everyone's reach. With tools like Repomix and OneFileLLM, you can unlock new levels of productivity, flexibility, and collaboration. Whether you're writing documentation, debugging, or building new features, these context files put the power of AI directly in your hands. The future of AI-assisted development is here. Are you ready to take advantage?